grateful for who he is and the dad that he is. While we were in Samoa for our 2 weeks, he had the best time, but his heart was with his kids. And every day he couldn't talk to his kids because he'd cry. And I don't think I could ask for a better husband or father than what I have today.
Praise God.
Tissue.
So, with all of that, I thank the Lord so much for your home, for the husband you are, and for the father to my children. And my kids love you so much.
Love you.
Yeah. And because you were quite spoiled while we were away, I got you just a little.
To glory and honor to your Father in heaven, thank you so much for tonight, your mothers, and also everybody here. It's an honor to be here. Thank you, honey, and also for the church, all the mothers for your prayers while we're in Samoa, and also my wife. I had a great time because of your prayers and while we're here, and also we're in Samoa, and also our children. And thank you so much, honey. This is not enough. Your heart and your love for me is so amazing. This is not enough, but I thank you anyway. I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart all the way down to my toes.